The op-amp comparator interactive calculator helps you quickly determine threshold voltages and switching points for various comparator configurations. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate threshold voltage non-inverting, calculate hysteresis band, calculate window comparator limits, calculate inverting comparator threshold, calculate output voltage swing, or calculate Schmidt trigger parameters. For this demo, I'm using calculate threshold voltage non-inverting. Next, enter your reference voltage in volts, R1 and R2 in kiloohms, VCC supply and VEE supply in volts, VSAT high and VSAT low in volts, upper reference and lower reference in volts, and finally Vout high and Vout low in volts. Now, let's walk through a worked example to see how it functions. I'll input reference voltage 2.5 volts, R1 10 kOhms, R2 100 kiloohms, VCC supply 5 volts, VEE supply 10 volts, VSAT high 4.7 volts, VSAT low 0.3 volts, upper reference 3.5 volts, lower reference 1.5 volts, Vout high 12 volts, and Vout low 10 volts. After clicking Calculate, the results show threshold voltage equals 2500 volts. Configuration is non-inverting comparator. Switching point occurs when VIN equals 2500 volts. And the output switches high when VIN exceeds VRF, low when VIN falls below VRF. This calculator streamlines your comparator design process. Find the link in the description below.